Hey, welcome guys. So in this tutorial of Solidworks we are going to see that how can you use detail views available in Solidworks drawing file. So let's start. Going for file, new, going for draw, click on OK. So this is our drawing file. Here we are going to import first of all a front view or top view of a part file. So how to do that? Go to browse, and if you have already made some part files, you can pop it up and you can open that file and you can import that one. So I'm going to use let's say this part file, and I have selected the front view. I will place it here like this. So this is the front view of a part drawing which I already placed it here. I want the detail view of like this part. So how can I do that? So let's place this one, and now going for view layout, here there is a detail view option available. Click on this detail view option. Now you can click on high quality. So now you have to draw a region. So how to draw that? So just be careful that the region you want to get enlarged, you have to select that one first, and afterwards if it's not so selected, you can move it, you can edit that region also. But now let's select that region so that we can get in a good manner. So let's say we are going for this region. So I am making like this. So I have selected this region, and if you click your mouse, like the left mouse button, then you have to drag it, like just after selecting that, you have to drag your mouse like this and put this detailed view somewhere in the drawing. So now in this way you can make the detail view which is already here, and you have put that region, like the detail view, on the side of this one. Okay, so you can move it like after, if you drag it, you can move it like this. You can change the like this name label, you can change it like this is the broken center with leader, no leader. You can use this style, like this is the style which you can see here. You're going for standard. You can edit this. If you click on this, you can, if you drag it, you can move it like enlarge, or you can small, you can make the size small like this. So in this way you can edit the already detail view. These are the style which you can use. So in this way you can change, like you can scale it properly if you want, like this, or 2:1, 5:1, like this. So in this way you can make the detailed view in SolidWorks for a part drawing. So it has already the center line available. If it's not there, you can make it, you can use the center line option which I already showed in the previous video. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.